Hey, Mike with the Grill Cleaning Pro. Hey, when we are starting our journey in the grill cleaning industry, it is not uncommon for us to go to people that whose opinion we value and say, hey, I'm thinking about starting this crazy idea of a grill cleaning business. What do you think? And they might give us some answers like, who would want to pay to have their grill cleaned? Or I'll just throw my grill away and buy a new grill before I have somebody pay somebody to clean it for me. And those are great answers, but I got to really ask you, are you asking the wrong person? Who are you asking that question to? Because you got to kind of understand, even though you value their opinion, you value their insight, maybe they are the wrong person to ask that question to. So you really got to say who you asking that question to, and maybe they're not entrepreneurial minded. Maybe they live in an area where there just isn't a need for a grill cleaning service. Maybe they're in a rainy type of an area where even if you did start a business, the window for your grill cleaning would be so short. And maybe they just are not service-oriented minded people. So you really got to kind of look at their situation. And I want to use myself as an example. When I first started this business back in 2012, I went to two people whose opinion I valued highly, and I asked them that question. And those are the answers that they gave me. One gave me basically an answer of like, I'll just throw my grill away and get a new one. And then the other person said, why would somebody want to pay you to have their grill cleaned? And the first person was not service minded oriented. He didn't hire people to come to his home and do services for him, so that wasn't something that he would ever think of doing anyways. The second person was in an area where it frankly rained a lot, and his grill was kind of a cheap grill from Home Depot, Walmart kind of a grill, and in his mind, why would he pay somebody to clean his grill? So both of them basically were even though I valued their opinion, they were the wrong people to ask that question to. So when you are researching this industry, find those people who are service minded, maybe entrepreneurial, but just find some people. If you already have a business, survey your customer list. Maybe you might find that your customers, the people that would pay you to come out and clean their grill, want that service, but just didn't even know that service existed, or that there was anybody out there who would even offer that. And maybe they would be glad and thankful that you even reached out to them to even ask them that question. So anyways, who are you asking that question to, and are they the right people to be giving you the answers? You can still value their opinion, you can still respect the answers that they give you, but maybe they're just not the right person to give you the answer that you're looking for. So hope that helped, and good luck on your journey into the grill cleaning industry.